We're here, we got the truck and trailer. Might as well, right? I just want to make sure everyone gets their runs in. That's what we're doing.
Flying out to Spain, go drive Mitch's van back from Spain.
Are you?
Yeah.
When did this get sorted?
He asked me a few weeks ago. I booked my flight yesterday.
Car. When is it? I'll come.
Flying out next Thursday at 2:30.
And when you gonna be back? Friday.
No, we're back Saturday.
Oh, I don't know, Rod.
Just never you got work with.
That's gonna be a nightmare to swing. I'll see what I can do though. I can tell you now, it's slim to none. But we'll see.
All we need is a 1.560, for which I think you can do. Oh man, guys, that's gonna do it. That's gonna wrap it up. That's gonna wrap it up. You guys just can't count us out, boys.
I'd love to. Alright, top one, Jay. Oh, sorry, top two.
What a great week. Having him on with me, keeping the vibes up. You already know, man. We made it happen. So we appreciate you guys liking. We appreciate everything.
Nice.
Man.
Okay.
Yeah.
You snugging them up now, or?
No, I'm just gonna hand something for a minute, and then we're got my dad's torque wrench out and then torque everything.
Should I go get one tomorrow? What the fuck's called that? Oh.
That's the linkage.
Yeah.
There you
Thanks, Phil.
go. Thanks, Philip.
Okay. What's the sequence?
Yes, that one got. I'm pretty sure that goes on there. Can't remember a second. It goes there. Big seal. No, nothing there. Yeah.
There we go, Rob. One side's all sorted then.
Yep.
Love fresh parts, Rog.
My mum. Beautiful.
Look at the fucking state of it, Rog.
Work all down now. Better be well.
Some grease on the fuckers then.
But to be fair, he's fucked out there. He's good.
Now, not being funny, but the welds are fucking horrendous, aren't they?
He's factory, isn't he? Yeah,
If Reece seen that, you'd be like, give me the whole thing. He's set himself up now though, hasn't he? He's put a rod for his own back because...
Yeah, because we work come back and it's not good.
No, well there is that, but everyone's going to be going to him for a quick fix.
Okay, when the radiator breaks. Reese, can you
Yeah.
wipe this up, please?
Yeah, I got to put a socket in his house, haven't I? That's the deal.
Oh, wow.
It's fair.
Yeah.
So when I go pick out the subframe, I'm going to quickly wang it all through the wall. No spur.
Accent socket.
Yeah, and it's out the front as well, so anyone could. Nah, I need to put a spur in actually. You're not doing that within. You absolute animal.
Love it.
Sorted?
Sorted.
Right, on the floor. Yeah. There we go. Getting there, Rog.